Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to talk about while loop. And first thing, while loop and for loop are compared with one another, but those two are actually very different. We are going to use for loop when we need to iterate through some collection or array or list with no number of elements. But when we don't know actual number of elements that we have to iterate through, we are going to use while loop. And syntax is quite simple. We are going to use keyword while, and in brackets we are going to provide a logical condition. So while true, this code within while loop is going to be executed. Let's say like print done. And this is what is called infinite loop. And whenever you have such a case, you have to provide some way to jump out from this loop. For that we have keyword break. Now if I execute this code, this is going to happen. We are going to jump into this loop because this condition is set to true. We are going to print done to the screen, and we are going to break out from the loop. But now what else we could do? I'm going to create variable a, and I'm going to assign a value of 10 to it. And now I'm going to say while a it's less than 20. Because this expression is going to produce true, we are going to get the exact same result. And now I'm going to teach you another way to break out from this loop. I'm going to add value of 1 with every iteration to variable a. So in this case, I'm just going to change this to print a out, save it, run it. This is what we are going to get. In first iteration, a is 10. That means that this condition is true. So this code is going to be executed. But now we are going to add 1 to a. So we are going to get 11 in our next iteration. And so on up to 19. When this happened, we are going to execute this code, but with this line, a is going to become 20. So when next time we test this condition, we are going to see that this is no longer true, but false. And in that way, we are going to jump out from this loop. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.